Tell you guys something, man. If you guys thinking about starting a YouTube channel, man, now is the time. I'm not just talking about the money, bro. I'm talking about, opportunities to work with different brands. When the time comes, if you grow enough, you have collaborations, you meet new people, man. It is an interesting journey, man. So today, with that being said, man, I'm meeting up with Jay. He hit me up on Instagram, man. I checked out his channel and stuff. Interesting enough, he has a 1989 Camaro, according to him. So, I'm about to head up to meet him, man, and I can't wait to check out that car. But before I go, let me just try and get a cold start for you guys. So I was trying to do some pulls on the way there, but look at this traffic, man. Like, I can barely step on it without like catching up to traffic like real quick. Like, look at this. Like no space. No space, man. See, that's how it is with these cars, man. I had the car in touring mode the whole time. I told myself, I'm gonna have a nice chill drive there, no speeding. And look what happens, man, every time. Hey, if you all want another crazy drive video, let me know, man. I believe I have 3 of them out, so if you all want a part 4 to the crazy drive video, where I'm just pure driving, no talking, let me know. I'll make another one for you guys. All right, guys, so I just got here, man. It's about a couple minutes away, but sometimes, man, I come out and I look at this car and I still can't believe I have this, man. I'm thankful for everything I have, bro, and I've had ups and downs, and I don't regret any of them, bro, because it's because of the mistakes I've made in my past that I'm able to get the things I want now, man. So yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I have the badge out, so no more of that Camaro badge on the side. I like the car a lot more this way, man. It looks a little bit cleaner, and for the future modifications I'm gonna be doing, I think taking off the badge was a good idea. One of the things I might be doing is like taking off that red on the wheel. A lot of people like it, but I rather an all black wheel, for what I'm going to do. So what do y'all think? Should I leave it? Some of you have seen it already, but this red ring around it, it's a factory option. It's painted on the rim. It's not like a sticker or rim blade or anything. But do y'all like that or not? Let me know, man, in the comments. Ah, boy, there it is, boy. The 1989 Camaro. Man, that shit look dope. Oh, that shit look dope. I ain't never seen, I don't think I've seen one that was good, man. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Oh, that's a Z28? Yeah, man. Damn, boy. And you got the 4Gs.
4G out is on the feet, man.
Boy, no, I want to get rims.
You gotta get some 4Gs, man. You got to.
But the thing is, I be racing though, so I don't know, like.
Go small, man. Go 22s, man. 22s are not
22s?
bad, bro.
Yeah, I'd probably want to lower the car because it does sit a little bit higher if I do it. But
I mean, the real car enthusiast is gonna hate you for putting rims that big.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Almost anything you do, you will get a little bit of hate and love, man. Yeah.
They don't like the big wheels.
Yeah. But this look good though. I ain't gonna lie. This,
in my opinion, 22s are not too big, bro. 22s are not too big. You know what I'm saying?
That's what you have right now? Is that 22s?
Yeah, 22s, bro.
Okay. Damn, you see, I don't know. Oh, that's where they got that from. This was an old school. You see, I actually just took off my badges, man, on the side with the three colors.
Why you do badges for? You didn't like it?
Nah, it like with what I'm going for in the final look, it's not gonna go with it. You know, like, ooh. Okay, so this doesn't look stock. All right, so I'm trying to do like probably, I don't know, maybe like 3 videos. I'm trying to get like your reaction in this car. I'm trying to get my reaction in this car. I'm trying to do a review of this car. So first off, tell me what's in this car, man.
Man, it's a Camaro Z28. It has an LT1 Corvette motor in it. It's an older generation motor.
Yeah.
But it had a lot of work done to it by the previous owner.
Yeah.
And
okay.
The rear end is from a 4th gen Camaro. Put the 22-inch wheels on there, the Forgiatos, Twisted Maglia, the hardest Forgiatos in my opinion that you could get.
Yeah. Period.
If you pay attention to Forgiatos, bro.
Yeah.
Everybody and their mama got these wheels right now. I'm telling you, man, because they hard, man. I love them. What's your first impressions on the whip, though, man? What you think
on this? First off, like I've never really been into old school before. Like, you know, and so, you know, I don't really get to see them in person or anything like that. But looking at this, bro, like just the sound first off got me. Like it's like that. I can't describe it, but it's you can tell it's different from the newer stuff.
You
like
gotta do a muffler delete on your car too, bro.
Bro, I'm scared to do anything on this because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to do anything that makes it either slower or sound worse. You know? It's gonna sound nice, bro. So I'm trying to be careful, you know. But yo, this.
Yeah, the interior is clean, bro.
I'm gonna get a full B-roll a second around in this.
The interior is clean, bro. I wanna do leather seats though. That's my plan, bro. I gotta pull this out and put leather seats, probably redo the carpet underneath, all that stuff, bro.
Yeah, but I'm sure a lot of people are gonna appreciate the 1989, man.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so let's go on the road, man. And
oh man, you putting your seatbelt on? You make me nervous, bro.
Hey, always gotta put your seatbelt on.
Oh man.
Hold on, make sure it's sport mode. And see, I can't do it like I can't just smash on it from a dig. Because I gotta get some tires for this car, man. Like I've been trying to get like all this time I've been buying tires that are not really rated for like too much speed, and I didn't even know. But you know, now I know.
Okay, that thing moving. He about to give me the reaction. Driving in this SS.
It's still stock, so you know it's slow. You know.
Nowadays everybody going for the
Turn left, then turn right.
Got a little bit of torque. That thing moving, boy. And you got the sunroof too. Okay.
Yeah, man. Like I was like making a video like right before this, and I was like,
"This is a 2SS fully loaded."
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
I was so lucky to find this, bro. Like it's not like I bought this used, so it's not like I got to pick my options from the factory or anything like that.
It had everything you need for the most part.
Yeah, bro. Everything except the red interior. That's the other thing.
You about to drive with the paddle shifters, bro?
Yeah.
See, you got it, man. Okay.
Yeah,
my dog professional over here.
That's the way you go, man.
That thing moving.
The way I do it is like I start off in like manual mode. Yeah. I actually saw this tip from this YouTuber called the Incredible Joe. I don't know if you ever saw his channel, but yeah, he was talking about how he was always racing and stuff, and he would like before he would lose races just trying to drive in auto or just manual, and then he said he started doing like starting manual mode so you can hold the gear where you want, and then hit it and then switch it to auto and just let it do the shifting.
Just give it that nice head start.
You know, yeah.
That thing fast, bro.
You gotta have that in the front.
Damn, son. That thing moving. That thing moving, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. That thing moving.
One thing I love about this is like let's say I'm in 8th gear, right? So like, I don't know if you can see. Can you see the dash from here?
Yeah.
So you see I'm in 7th, right?
Right.
Like, let's say I want to bring it down to like the lowest gear possible. I don't have to keep tapping it. Like if I hold it, so like look at this. I hold it, it dropped to 2nd.
Right.
You know, right away. So.
That thing definitely got a whole lot of torque, bro. All right, seatbelt for safety, guys. I ain't gonna go crazy, dog.
Only thing I can say, what's the fastest car you've driven?
Bro, I ain't driven a lot of fast cars, which is a shame to say, bro.
It's all good. The only advice I can give is just don't smash it out the first time. Just don't smash it out the first time.
A few moments later.
That thing,
but what I like about this is like, as it speeds up, it's like you just keep feeling the kick more and more, man. Like it just keeps wanting to go, bro.
Let me tell you, it feels different in the passenger seat, bro. In the passenger seat, it's a little scary, bro. When you driving, bro, I see what you're saying.
Like, after a while, you feel your legs like light.
When you in the passenger, bro, you're not in control, bro.
Yeah.
You feel way different, dude. But hey, this thing moving.
Thanks, bro. Thank you, man.
Hey.
On 3? Alright guys, so if you want to see more of the 1989 Camaro, make sure you go to Jay's channel. I believe he said it's going to be called Jay the Zo. I will put the link in the description either way so you guys can check it out, man. So Jay, I appreciate you, bro. Pretty dope collab, bro. On and off the camera. It was pretty chill. And yeah, man, I'm looking to do future collab videos too. So if you know anybody watching this video, if you are near the South Florida area, hit me up, man. I don't care what size your channel is or what, as long as your content can sort of like relate to mine, you know, like for example, like my content is a lot about cars and stuff, and you know, financial stuff relating to cars and credit and things like that. So if your channel has something similar or it can align, you know, we can do a collab. So I'm about to go edit and upload this video, man. I appreciate all of you guys watching, and I'll see you all in the next one, man.